Daran, right now, I will test you without mini fridge. At 2 a.m. with my new cable extension. I try to charge my iPad Air and my Xiaomi Android phone. For iPad, I use USB-C 2C. For my phone, USB-A 2C. Condition that out-of-screen iPad is 19% left. And my phone, 25% left. 3:36 a.m. My phone 100%. iPad 95%. 3:54 a.m. iPad 100%. And Daran 45% left. My conclusion so far for this Daran 100 watt. For mini fridge only, it only lasts 2 hours. But at least for emergency outbreak, it's still useful for charging phone and small watt usage on your home. Here's my product page.